I went to my utilities website, and my utility has an approved installer list. You guys were on the list. I actually interviewed 7 other quotes, which in this particular case was a really good thing because I had an experience of all of them. When I got to you guys, I could tell what level you guys were at. When Atma came in to do my survey, I already had 7 other people try to come in with their proposals. I now had a baseline to compare Atma's approach, and their approach was so much more mature, professional, and really down to earth. The gentleman who came out had his drone. He did a flyover. He wrote down some notes. He talked to me about what my needs were, not just what they could sell me and what they wanted to sell me. He talked to me about what my goals were. So it felt much more comfortable. And then even after they presented their proposal, I was able to call them back up, email them, and then get some clarification, which was really friendly and nice. My biggest benchmark for any installation is, are they treating installation as if it was their own house? And Atma did exactly that. When they were done and they were very efficient, everything was cleaned up. It was left as they found it, and I was really impressed with their installation. Has run perfectly with no issues whatsoever. And I even went up on a hard rainstorm. I went in my attic, then checked all my roof and all those holes. Not a single leak. Everything was really solid. I built a system and sized it accordingly that every month now I've been zeroed out on paying for electricity, which for retirement is really a great peace of mind. What I like to do is I like to show them my system, and then I tell them who did it, and I stand behind them 100%. I'm one of your ambassadors now because the fact that I want to see everybody in my street benefit from what I'm benefiting. That is not worrying about power outage, not worrying about cost of electricity, having a nice standard budget, and having an installer that you can trust.